Can you really drink Iaso tea and lose 5 pounds in 5 days? Does Iaso tea actually help you to lose weight naturally? Is it that everything you're hearing online is just hype? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Now, in this video, I want to talk to you about this very popular product that is circulating on the interweb. And it seems as if the majority of health and fitness celebs are pushing this product. So the question is, does it really work for weight loss, or is it just another fad? Well, in order to answer that question, we have to talk a bit about two important points. And the first point is, we have to look at how we lose weight. And secondly, we have to look at whether or not Iaso tea helps us in achieving point number one. So, how exactly does weight loss occur? Well, it is a known fact that in order to lose weight, you have to burn more calories than you consume on a daily basis. But here's the thing, although that may sound very simple, it is not always easy to achieve. And the reason for this is also twofold. Firstly, most of us tend to just eat around the clock because we get hungry very easily. And secondly, most of us have very slow metabolisms. So that means whenever you eat food, instead of burning off that food for energy, most of it tends to be stored as fat because your metabolism is so slow. And that fat tends to store at your problem areas such as your midsection and around your thighs and so forth. So this is why up until now, you have been finding it very hard to lose weight, even though it is so easy to put on. So the question we want to ask again is, does Iaso tea really work for weight loss, and can drinking this tea prevent you from eating around the clock and also boost your metabolism so that you can burn more calories on a daily basis? Let's have a closer look at Iaso tea. We're going to talk about the ingredients, we're going to talk about how this tea works, and we're going to talk whether or not it does work as it is supposed to. So what is Iaso tea? Well, Iaso tea is actually a natural detox that is created by a company known as Total Life Changes. Now, this company has been around for over a decade and they have a wide range of products, but of course, their weight loss products are the most popular products. Iaso comes in two forms. You have the original Iaso tea, which you have to actually brew, and then you have the instant Iaso tea, which you just add to your water, shake, and then drink. According to the Total Life Changes website, both of the Iaso teas, that is the instant tea as well as the one you have to brew, work in the same way. However, for this Iaso tea review, I'm going to be basing my review only on the instant tea because that is the one I have personal experience with. And they come in three main flavors. You have the raspberry, you have the original, and you also have lemon. So what does Iaso tea do? Well, the first thing that Iaso tea does is to actually detoxify your body by cleansing your colon to remove years of built-up plaque and gunk that stick to the walls of your colon. So in simple terms, Iaso tea is a natural detox that provides a gentle colon cleanse which enables your body to better absorb the nutrients from the foods that you eat. Now, the Iaso tea does this because it is packed with a proprietary blend of soluble fiber that acts really like a power wash for your intestine. And the bonus effect of drinking this tea is that it will boost your metabolism so that you can burn more calories on a daily basis. And the second thing that happens when you take your Iaso tea is that it will suppress your appetite. This means that you're less likely to feel hungry throughout the day, and in so doing, you'll end up eating less food. And as you can imagine, if you're eating less food, you'll create a higher calorie deficit, which leads to more weight loss. The third thing that you can expect when you take your Iaso tea is that you can also expect to have a boost in your energy levels, and some people even experience more mental clarity and even see improvements in their skin. So, what makes Iaso tea works so good? Because at this point, you may be wondering if just drinking a simple tea can be so effective and give so much improvement on your health? Well, to answer that question, we need to validate the ingredients that are in your ISO tea. We have to see if the individual ingredients or the combinations of ingredients have any scientific proof as to what ISO tea claims to do based on real-world science. So, ISO tea actually contains over 13 plus natural ingredients. And some of these ingredients include holy thistle, you also have blessed thistle, you have persimmon leaves, papaya extract, and quite a few ingredients which I can't even pronounce. But of course, you can check out the link in the description below this video for a full list of all the ingredients that is inside of your ISO tea. That said, I've gone ahead and done some research on each of these ingredients, and I'm very happy to say that based on science, these ingredients actually help to detoxify your body. Now, I'll give you a few examples. Persimmon leaves. It is rich in fiber, which is very important for regular bowel movements, and so it helps to keep your digestive system healthy. And papaya also has an enzyme which is known as papain, which is very good for constipation and other symptoms such as IBS, which is irritable bowel syndrome. Now, these are just two examples, but all of the ingredients inside your ISO tea work in combination to be a powerful detoxifying agent. Now, having said that, what is the dosage of your ISO tea, or how should you actually take your ISO tea for best result? According to the instructions on the packet, you should take at least 1 sachet daily with about 8 ounces of water 30 to 45 minutes prior to eating. Now, based on my experience, you'll get the best results from taking 2 sachets instead of 1. You'll then follow this regimen for 5 days and then take 2 days off, and then you repeat the cycle the following week. Now, to boost your weight loss results from drinking your ISO tea, it is also recommended that you take 2 other products that Total Life Changes offer. And these 2 products are your NutriBurst, which is a liquid multivitamin, and the energy boosting or fat burning capsules, which is NRG, that will further boost your metabolism and suppress your appetite so that you can lose weight faster. Now, in order to get these products, of course, you can check out the links below in the description and you can order your products whenever you choose. Note also that you need to make sure that you're paying attention to your diet and making a concerted effort to exercise at least for 30 minutes, 3 to 5 times per week. Let's talk about what you can expect after drinking your ISO tea, and especially if you're taking it with the other products from TLC. So based on my experience, there are quite a few things that you can expect from drinking your ISO tea. Firstly, the tea tastes amazing. Now, when I first got the tea, and I didn't thought it would taste good, I'm gonna be honest. But in my opinion, it does taste good, especially the raspberry flavor. This raspberry flavor is actually my favorite flavor, followed by the lemon. And because I take 2 sachets daily, I tend to mix one of the original with the raspberry or one of the original with the lemon. So I never drink the original by itself. So it always tastes good for me. The second thing you can expect when you take your ISO tea is that it will suppress your appetite. When I first heard about ISO tea and all the hype, I was a bit skeptical because I've seen other so-called detox teas in the past that were nothing but a sham. However, I decided to try ISO tea only after a very close friend recommended the TLC products to me. And to be honest, after the first day, I became a believer. To give you some perspective, I am a very big eater. I love my food and I love to eat. But after the first day, I drank the ISO tea in the morning. I took a capsule of the NRG and also the multivitamin NutriBurst. That day, I was doing some house chores, and to my surprise, I went through the entire day without eating. Now, this wasn't because I didn't want to eat any food, but it was because I had so much energy and I just never felt hungry. So when you take your ISO tea, and especially if you combine it with the other recommended TLC products, you can definitely expect to have a suppressed appetite. The third thing that you can expect is that you will definitely be visiting the bathroom more often. And this is no joke. Remember, this is a detox tea and it is designed to clean out your system. So the only way to get rid of all the toxins and gunk from out of your digestive system is to go to the bathroom. And you can expect to go to the bathroom at least 10 to 20 minutes after eating. So my recommendation is, if you are trying this tea for the first time, is that you choose a day that you're going to be home the entire day. That way you won't have any inconvenience as it relates to finding a bathroom. Because you see, this is the kind that when you need to go, you must go. You have no other option but to go. Okay, so I know that was a little bit graphic, and it's time to wrap up this Iaso tea review. So the question again is, does Iaso tea really work? And can you lose 5 pounds in just 5 days? The simple answer is yes, but there's a caveat. You have to keep in mind, however, that losing 5 pounds in 5 days will not all be fat. I want to make that very clear. I see a lot of persons promoting this product and claiming that you will lose 5 pounds in 5 days without giving you the full truth. And the truth is, most of this initial weight will be water weight due to the detoxification process. But the thing is, if you stick to the recommended regimen for at least 30 days, you can expect to lose a lot of fat over that time. And this is especially so if you are consistent with taking your Iaso tea and the other recommended TLC products, while also eating right and exercising regularly. This will be the results of the fat burning properties, the detoxification process, and an incredible boost in your metabolism. So if you're a skeptic like me but you want a product that contains scientifically proven ingredients to help you lose weight and get healthier, then I highly recommend that you give the Iaso tea a try. And what's more is that if you're not ready to commit, you can actually order a sample pack, and all you have to do is pay for the shipping. But the sample pack will only last you for 5 days, which is enough to give the product a test and know if it will work for you. So check out the links below this video in the description to request your free sample pack if you choose to, or if you are ready to commit, you can go ahead and order your full fat burning kit. Now just remember guys, Iaso tea, just like any other weight loss product, is not an overnight miracle solution. You have to put in the work to get results. However, a product like Iaso tea is a great catalyst to help you boost your metabolism so that you can actually achieve your weight loss goal faster. So again, check out the links below this video to get your products. And that said, let me just say thank you so much guys for watching this video, and please hit the like button below this video if you enjoy the video and get some amount of value. Subscribe to the channel and make sure you also hit that bell icon so that whenever I release any new video, you will be notified. Again, thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any question at all, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. My name is Casey, and thank you so much for tuning in today, and I'll see you in the next video.